Hey guys, this is an unboxing video of the Jegsport cargo box. I just got this in the mail. Unfortunately, I did leave it on my porch, so it got a little rain on it, but I think it's completely fine. The insides are tough, built for the outdoors, so I'm just showing you what it's like. Let's see. So really you just slide it right out. One thing I wasn't expecting is it looks like they put the two pieces into each other like that, like they stack them. So this is kind of, let me lift this up to show you better. It's kind of concave, like I was expecting it to be the full box, but they stacked one into the bottom into the top. So I'm gonna have to pull this out and then probably put the bottom on and then the top, or maybe set up the whole box and then yeah, I'll just pull it out for you guys. Oh, it's looking like really durable. This reminds me of like the back of a truck or something. This is great. So this is the bottom and it has a little traction here. Really tough. I'm seeing some like metal pieces on the side that you can lock. Okay, so I just have to figure out if I put the bottom on first and then get the top on, or if I put the two pieces together and then get help putting that on top. So I think I'll just have to look that up real quick. But this is what it's like when you get it in the mail. It's like a huge box that I did get wet. And then they're stacked, but oh boy, this is gonna be the work. Oh, it looks like the manual is in there and something to screw this stuff on. Yeah, sweet. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys when it's all set up and done, but that's how you get it out of the box.